What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Devan Nathwani, portfolio strategist at the BlackRock Investment Institute. We're reflecting on the market events of the past week and why we stay risk on. Unwinds of stretched positions, heightened geopolitical risk, and policy uncertainty have spurred sharp market swings in thin trading conditions. We had warned of risk sentiment shifts, driving bursts of volatility. That played out last week as Japanese stocks suffered their worst three-day stretch ever. The Bank of Japan's unexpected policy shift to bolster the yen led to a rapid unwind of carry trades that used low-yielding currencies to buy other assets. Unwinding of equity dispersion trades that sell index volatility and buy single stock volatility further amplified the turbulence. We reaffirm our positive view on Japan, where a virtuous circle of mild inflation is boosting wages and corporate earnings. Corporate reforms aimed at improving shareholder value underscore our optimism. We reassert our Japanese stock overweight, where we prefer a currency unhedged exposure. But we are mindful that further yen strengthening could eat into corporate profit margins. We think US recession talk is overdone and see a slowdown instead. Unemployment has ticked up from historically low levels. However, total US payrolls are growing well above the usual pre-recession levels. US corporate earnings, especially in tech, have been stronger than expected. While tech is leading the charge, non-tech sectors are poised to log their first earnings growth since late 2022, which is a sign strong earnings may be broadening out. Easing cost pressures and moderating inflation have also benefited US corporates. Here's our market take. Rather than dialing back risk, we stay overweight Japanese and US stocks and favour the AI theme. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Market Take will resume on Tuesday, September 3rd. We'll remain responsive to any major market volatility before then. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com